Welcome to the video. In this video I'm going to solve a trigonometric problem which is belongs to grade 10, and the question is here: if sine of a minus b is equal to 1 by 2, cos of a plus b is equal to 1 by 2, where 0 degree is less than a plus b is less than equal to 90 degree, a is greater than b, then find a and b. So now solution is here given sine of a minus b is equal to 1 by 2. So we can write this as implies sine of a minus b is equal to, we know that sine of 30 degree is equal to 1 by half, so we can write, instead of half we can write sine of 30 degree. Sine cancel, so here a minus b implies a minus b is equal to 30 degree. This is the equation number 1. Again we have cos of a plus b, cos of a plus b is equal to cos 1 by 2. We know that cos of 60 degree is 1 by 2, so we can write here cos of a plus b, cos of a plus b is equal to cos 60 degree. Cos cancel, a plus b implies a plus b is equal to 60 degree. This is number equation 2. Now we add equation 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 implies a minus b with a bracket plus within bracket a plus b is equal to 30 degree plus 60 degree. Implies a minus b plus a plus b is equal to 90 degree. B cancel, a twice a is equal to 90 degree. This 2 will go right side and becomes divisible. That means 90 degree by 2. 2 in 90, 45 times. Here a is equal to 45 degree. Now put this below a is equal to 45 degree in equation 1. 1 implies 45 degree minus b is equal to 30 degree. This 45 will go right side and becomes negative. That means minus b is equal to 30 minus 45 degree. So 30 minus 45 degree gives minus b is equal to minus 15 degree. This minus cancel. So b is equal to plus b is equal to 15 degree. Now the answer is a is equal to 45 degree and b is equal to 15 degree. If you like my video, then like, comment, share and subscribe my channel Maths Point at the YouTube.